You want it to be camera.
I want it like a handheld style, but actually like get our faces in it.
So like walk around while you're doing it.
Yeah, like you can literally, as long as you don't get the lights in the background.
Oh,
I think even
the
if we
lights,
get, I
yeah.
think even if we get the lights in the background, I think.
Because right now this is like a good angle to get both of you.
Vlog style, but I want you to be the cameraman for the vlog.
Can I wear this like one right here?
Start off there and like circle, and then come back this way.
Yeah, that's what we're
gonna
gonna do.
Probably be in the background. So.
Yeah. So anyway, this is our engine.
You haven't even hit record yet.
Yes, I have. Oh,
Yeah, it's recording.
recording.
Okay.
All right. Are you gonna point it at me and do your job?
There. Okay.
Is that a good angle? Are we too close? Or are we good? I will punch you in the face.
We're good. Hold up.
Ricky, so help me.
We're good. You're
Back
nice.
up. They can't see the engine.
Well, I can't back up. I have to back up all the way over here.
If you would have gotten on this an hour ago when we asked you to, we would have already.
This is actually a really good angle right here.
You're the one that asked to leave so quick.
Yeah, you didn't tell anyone about this.
I forgot we were doing
Ricky
this.
has to go to church
It's
in like less than an hour.
yeah.
Man, I had the engine set up in a good angle. Everything. Ricky.
Wait, this was good. This is good. Right here.
okay, right.
Right here. Just stop.
Okay, all right, I got it. But you weren't communicating at all.
Go. You're good.
Okay, all right.
David, smile. You're in the shot.
That's nice.
All right, guys, welcome back to Aries. As a cameraman, you cannot make faces, Ricky.
Yeah, we're gonna have so many bloopers tonight, y'all.
It's gonna be a fun time, man.
It is.
I am okay with the longer video as well, since we have so many parts. All right. Do you want to just go ahead and stop recording on this one, and would that be easier?
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Okay, just stop recording for a second.
We